back from Graphicxtras. In this video I'm just going to show you can use text with the new design library feature in Photoshop CC 2014.2. Now to use the text, just going to go over here to the text tool and just select that, and there's a number of variations on this, so I'm just going to select and just type some text, very basic text there, and just drag it over and to the library, and you see already it's just added that in the graphics section. It doesn't particularly indicate that it's actually text, live text, but if you actually just select it there again, just drag it over, you can see now you can still edit the text. Comes up with a dialogue, don't want that. Yep. Don't know why it actually has to offer that option, but click OK. Okay, so you've got live text, you can just edit. You can also, and I'm just going to drag that over there, duplicate the layer just by holding the Alt key down to create two text, and then select both and drag it over, and both will be actually saved over here. Now this does say text copy and text. Of course you can rename the text at the over here just by right clicking and saying rename, so you can quickly rename the text as well. You can also, and I'm just going to now just create some area text, and you can just go obviously type, paste this in, and obviously I don't want it at that size, so I'm just going to undo that, just going to make it a bit smaller than that, paste. So you've got the text here. Actually paste, obviously you could do a whole page now, you just drag that over, you've got a whole page there, just bring that back, and you can of course alt duplicate that as well, and you can select all of those as well and drag that over as well. It's exactly as all the others. Also of course you could actually do a whole page worth of text, maybe even a whole chapter. You could actually probably store an entire book in this new libraries feature. Haven't tested it as far as that, who knows. Right, also with the text you can actually type some text, and I'm just going to quickly type some random text. You can resize it, modify it, and just do that. You can also rotate it, so I'm just going to rotate the text, and you can drag that over, and that information is also stored, so you can just basically use it, just drag that over there. Very quick and easy for creating sort of decorative designs or sort of more interesting typography effects. Also you can do, if you've got some fonts, and I'm going to say that because I haven't checked, I haven't got any Graphicxtras ones to display. Yes I have. Just go there, so say an orbit design, and this is one of the Graphicxtras designs, so you can just quickly resize that, bigger than that, so you can actually see the design, and then you can just drag that over there, and you can see it says plus, so it actually will store it. Now I have noticed a few quirks where it actually says the plus and then doesn't store it, but I think that's because of some other software is interacting with the thing. Anyway, maybe that's just me, but just odd times it's done that. Right, so you can drag it over again, so you basically can use it for a store of typeface. Now if the font doesn't actually exist on the machine, I haven't tested that, so I don't know if it will come up with an error, but I guess that's possible. So right, that's another thing. Now if you actually go over here to window and styles, just styles over here, so I can actually apply a style to make that style. There's that style, and I can actually go over to the libraries again, window libraries, just drag that out a bit, sorry, and drag that over, and again this is stored over here with the style attached, so you can use that, just drag that over without again changing the text. You can actually it's still live text, so you can put a different design like that. Right, anyway, that's just a quick run through of some of the type features that you can combine with libraries. Like I say, you can set up obviously additional libraries, so maybe a whole range of different type libraries can be used, which you can then just drag over and use in projects. maybe like web pages. You could probably do a whole website probably using this libraries feature, just by adding all the text into this library and dragging it over and saving it. I don't know. I certainly probably wouldn't do it that way, but I'm certain some people could try that experiment. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.